Hello students, let us read the question. A cameraman on a pickup truck is traveling westward at 20 km per hour. While he records a cheetah that is moving westward 30 km per hour faster than the truck. Suddenly, the cheetah stops, turns, and then runs at 45 km per hour eastward, as measured by suddenly nervous crew member who stands alongside the cheetah's path. The change in the animal's velocity takes 2 seconds. What are the magnitude and the direction of the animal's acceleration according to the cameraman, and the magnitude and the direction according to the nervous crew member? So the key concept involved here is the relative motion. And if we need to find out the velocity of A with respect to B, it can be written as velocity of A minus velocity of B. This is the formula that we can use to find out the relative velocity of object A with respect to object B. Now let us see the question. In the question, we have been given a truck on which a cameraman is there. This truck is moving westward with a velocity 20 km per hour, and there is a cheetah which is moving with a velocity 30 km per hour with respect to the cameraman in the westward direction, and alongside the road on which cheetah and the truck are moving, there are some crew members which are at rest. Now let us write these velocities. Here we can write the initial velocity of cameraman, as the cameraman moving with a constant velocity. It is equal to minus 20 km per hour I cap. Here we are using the Cartesian coordinate. Let us see the Cartesian coordinate. This is the eastward direction. This one is the westward direction, and the eastward direction is represented by the I cap direction and the westward minus I cap direction. So let us write over here. The velocity of the cameraman can be written as minus 20 km per hour I cap direction. Let us convert km per hour into meter per second. It can be written as minus 20 into 1000 meter upon 3600 seconds I cap. So the U cameraman is equal to minus 5.6 meter per second I cap. This is first velocity. And now let us write the velocity of crew members at their rest. It can be written as I0 meter per second I cap. This is the velocity of crew members. Now let us write the initial velocity of cheetah before it takes the turn. We have been given the initial velocity of cheetah with respect to the cameraman UCH, CM is equal to minus 30 km per hour. As it is moving in the westward direction, we can write it as minus I cap. So let us convert it into meter per second. It can be written as minus 30 into 1000 meters. In 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters, and R can be converted into second by multiplying 3600 seconds I cap. So the final value, the initial velocity of cheetah with respect to the cameraman is equal to minus 8.3 meter per second I cap. Now let us write we can write UCH CM is equal to UCH minus UCM. As we know, this value is equal to minus 8.3 meter per second I cap is equal to initial velocity of cheetah minus we have been given that the initial velocity of the cameraman is equal to this value. It can be written as minus 5.6 meter per second I cap. So from here we can write that the initial velocity of cheetah is equal to minus 8.3 minus 5.6, which is nothing but equal to minus 13.9 meter per second I cap. This is the initial velocity of cheetah. Now let us write the final velocity of cheetah. Final velocity of cheetah is given as 45 km per hour, and after it takes the turn, after cheetah takes turn, it moves in the eastward direction, so we can write it as positive I cap. Now let us convert it into meter per second. 45 into 1000 upon 3600 meter per second I cap. So the final velocity of the cheetah after it takes turn, it becomes 12.5 meter per second I cap. Now let us solve the question. In the question, we need to find out what are the magnitude and the direction of the animal's acceleration according to the camera. So the acceleration of cheetah with respect to the cameraman can be written as final velocity of cheetah with respect to cameraman minus initial velocity of cheetah with respect to cameraman upon time taken in this turn. Here we can see that the time taken by the cheetah is equal to 2 seconds. So we can divide it by 2 seconds. Now let us put these values. Here the velocity of cheetah with respect to the cameraman final velocity is equal to 18.1 meter per second I cap minus the initial velocity of cheetah with respect to the cameraman is equal to minus 8.3 meter per second I cap upon 2. If we solve this, we will get the acceleration of cheetah with respect to the cameraman is equal to 13.2 meter per second square in the positive I cap direction. So we can say that its direction is in eastward and the magnitude is 13.2. Now let us calculate the acceleration of cheetah with respect to crew member. As the crew is at rest, we can simply write the acceleration of cheetah is equal to final velocity of cheetah minus initial velocity of cheetah upon 2. This is the time taken by the cheetah to take the turn. It can be written as 12.5 meter per second I cap minus the initial velocity of cheetah is equal to 13.9 meter per second I cap upon 2. If we solve this value, we will get the acceleration of cheetah with respect to the crew member is equal to 26.4 upon 2, which is nothing but 13.2 meter per second I cap. This is the acceleration. As here we can see, this is in I cap direction, which is the eastward, direction, and the magnitude is 13.2. So our final answer is that the acceleration of cheetah with respect to a cameraman is equal to 13.2 meter per second square in the I cap direction. This is the eastward, and the acceleration of cheetah with respect to the crew member is also equal to 13.2 meter per second square in the I cap direction, that is also in eastward direction. Thank you so much.